in the Oracle law. So segment advisor introduced in the Oracle 10G and has a lot in the DB roles and responsibility. The segment advisor used to be identify segment which are the candidate for the sync operations, releasing the unused space. What is sync? Sync means releasing unused space and moving the high water mark. What is a high water mark? High water marks, irrespective, we will talk about the high water mark. Like an example, in the currently we do have the table like as in EMP, and currently we do have almost 1 lakh rows, and just have the tomorrow some the delete operation is running on, and one of the user has dropped some table almost 50,000. So the almost the table size is half of the candidate, like, but while accessing this table we do have the all the full table scan, and it will get the bad performance, and these are the kind of the fragmentation problem for our day-to-day life in a DBA's perspective. So what we'll do, we will identify here, we will create the table, we will identify the what are the how can we can resize the table, and how can sync this table size. Let's an example. So what I will do, I will just connect over here. Let's see who user is connected currently. Cis is correct. So I will do the another session. CO connect diff. What I will do, I will see the how many tables are here currently. So now we do have almost 5 tables. How many? We will select the MPCP and do the operation like select and insert into EMPCP. Select start from EMPCP. Okay, now we will see the what is the size of the EMPCP. Just CGMENTS TSCDBA, sorry for the typo, EGMENTS. Select the owner, comma, segment name, comma, bytes. We will go for the KB, better way we go for the MB from DBA segment, where segment and this segment name is equal to EMPCP. So here we can get the almost the size of the 344 MB. What we'll do now, we will create the for the one of the users. So we need to identify first of the scenario. What we'll do, select count from EMPCP. Almost the multiple rows. What we'll do, delete EMPCP PCP where DPT NO is equal to 20. Perfect. So what we did, we just removed some rows from this. Now we do have this. What we do now, we will commit. Now we do have this advisor with us, so we need to identify the like this is the things which mostly happen with the application level. Some people are deleting some rows on the level, on the table level, and then we need to identify this is the table for identification for the shrink or not. So we do have create the plan for that. What we'll do, we will just declare this plan first. I will share the all the script after this video. Then what we will do, I will run this command. And then set the parameter for the job. Perfect. So next to run the job for the advisory. Perfect. Everything is good now. So we need to find the recommendation now. Here, possible scenario, we will get the output what enable the row movement of the table data div EMPCP and perform the shrink. Estimated saving is almost 100 MB, that is bytes. If we go on the calc, if we go almost here, the bytes divide 1024 KB 1024 is almost 105 MB we can reduce after the shrink. So shrink is not a best option because in production systems and the people are currently working, but yes, somehow we do have the lot of challenges because the table space are currently the increasing, and then there is no way to be reduced. The another options is like we can do the export and import, but that is totally a downtime required. Rather than that, this the shrink tables, that is also is one of the options. Else we can do what we do, we can take the move the table from the one table space to another table space. Let's see here how we can shrink. Other scenario we will see in another tutorial. What we'll do now here, we'll go and we will see the what is the segment size currently. Here we'll getting the 360. Perfect. So what we will do, we'll do here shrink. One second now, table room movement. I will share this document so you can do the practice of it. And here the main command shrink. So it will take some time, and it's a small size, but it's taking some time. But yet in your production environment, it will not take a long time. But still, it is not recommended. But yeah, this is the concept in Oracle, so that's why we are doing this practice of it. So now we can see the what are the size currently showing almost 300 MB. So we are just waiting for the shrink operation. I will show the what we did in here. What we did, we just create the plan task. There the segment advisor is the name of the advisor name, task ID, the task name we just describe over here, and just we are declare the values like EMPCP advisor is the task name, the table, what type of work we need to do, the table level, what is the schema name. First attribute is the schema name, the another is the table name, the another attribute we just keep over the null. Then we just run the script over here, then set the parameter for the job like begin DBMS advisor set task parameter, task name EMPCP advise, parameter recommended all, and this is the, and we are just executed DBMS advisor execute MPCP advise. Let's see our output. We are still waiting for this output. What we'll do, I just stop over here this video and we'll just wait for the hello friends, so our job is currently finished, like alter table emp cp shrink space. Now we need to identify, like earlier it was showing almost 360 MB. Now let's see how much it will be given the output. cp, so let's see, we almost reduce the 100 MB. This is the advantage of the shrinking. So let's consider this, the shrinking is in one of the useful features, but mostly it is useful in the OLAP environment, but OLTP we will not get the in the actual downtime for the table level and other things. So but it is a feature in the Oracle, so we not mostly use, but yes, OLAP environment we use. So that's it for the sessions. We will stop over here. Thanks for your time.